damn knuckle busting fucking son of a fuck. Today we're going to learn how to plug a hole in a tire using this repair kit.
Now keep in mind, this is just a temporary repair. This is just enough to get you off the trail and to a shop where they can do a proper repair. Probably take the tire off the rim and put a patch on the inside or replace the tire altogether. And this is not recommended for any punctures on the sidewall of the tire.
This is the donor tire off of our camper. Since this repair is going to go pretty quickly, let's go through the tools now. Here we have the reamer to make the hole larger to fit the plugs in. We have the needle to thread the plug through and stick in the hole. The plugs themselves, some patches for internal fixes. We have tire stems and a tire stem tool, a gauge, pliers, everything we need. This is the culprit right here, but before we pull this out, we're going to get all our tools laid out and ready. So this was like threading licorice through a needle. Well, we know where the hole is, obviously, so now I'm just going to use the pliers and pull it out. That's a long nail. Really? You're just going to keep filming me? Okay, so these wimpy little needle nose, they aren't cutting it. Okay, now using the reamer tool, I'm going to twist to make the hole bigger to fit the plug in. Oh yeah, this is easy. Come on. Okay, I think I got it in there. Oh, now what? Now we pull it back out. And we want to leave just a little bit left out. Now I'm pulling the needle out, and in theory, the plug should stay in place. I did it. Now you can trim this off, but it's going to wear down anyway. This is a valuable tool in your onboard kit.